Let's all square dance. Places all. Bow to your corner. Bow to your own. 3 hands up and round you go. Break it up with a do-si-do. Chicken in the bread pan, kicking off dough. Step to my do, my darling. The old lady out, you pretty little thing. Promenade around the ring. Big foot up and little foot down. Make that big foot jaw the ground. The lady step back and 2 jets in. Back you go and forward again. Step right up with an elbow swing. Step to my do, my darling. Alaman left with the old left hand. Follow through with the right and left grand. Meet your honey with a great big smile. Promenade Indian style.
Promenade across the floor, sashay right on out the door, and into the glade, and everybody promenade. Step right up, you're doing fine. I'll pull your bed, you pull mine. You get it like you did before. Break it up with a tug of war.